What if changing your face meant changing your life? A bold transformation, a rare surgery, and an unexpected challenge. Wait till you see the result.
बहुत अच्छा। मैं तो पहले एक था, 8 शादी के बाद दूसरा हो गया।
Amazing patient now. So you can see her problems. This is convex faced. बेटा मुंह खोलिए, हाँ बंद करिए, and you can see scars all along. You see this? So she's had surgery for this, and also on this side you can see the scars. तो पहले सर्जरी हुआ है इनका, यहाँ पे भी scars हैं, but still it hasn't been corrected. तो आज हम लोग क्या करने वाले हैं? We're going to grow the lower jaw. We're going to replace the joints. We're also going to work on the upper jaw because देखिए ये आगे की ओर आया हुआ है. So all of this is going to be done in one go. Anesthesia is going to be given from the submental region. ये करो. And you can see her teeth. ऐसे दिखाओ. तो सर्जरी के बाद ये imbalance जो है ये भी सही हो जाएगा. We're going to fix that as well. इनका मुंह खुल तो जाता है लेकिन बहुत कम खुलता है. दांतों में भी इश्यूज हैं. दांत बाहर आए हुए हैं और ये नीचे का जबड़ा आप जैसे आप देख रहे हो काफ़ी पीछे गई हुई है. सारा कुछ सही करेंगे आज.
So what you're seeing here is before and after face makeover. So you can see this patient literally doesn't have a chin and a lower jawline, and her teeth were not in the right position, the upper. So we've sorted all in one go, and there's a scar here. You can see that scar she already had, and we've done on both. Do remember the prosthesis implants, a lot of it is in the patient's mouth, jaw as well. These are the wafers or the splints. So just to understand that to get that kind of a result for life, a lot of preparation, planning.
So this is the post-op day 2 of the TMJ patient. We had done a bilateral TMJ ankylosis release and reconstructed with the temporomandibular joint on both sides. So this is the patient, how she looks now. आँखें ऐसे ऊपर वही करो ऊपर, ठीक है. ये हाँ, आँखें बंद करो, मुंह फुलाओ. ओके, बाइट करो एक बार. ओके, ठीक, बढ़िया. ओके, खा पी रहे हो ठीक से? बेटर है. ओके.
Post-operative bilateral TGR that we did. As you can see that the patient is able to open and close her mouth adequately. Band karo ek baar. It is a difficult thing after the surgery because we strip all the muscles which help in closing and opening. So our recovery is going pretty well. All the sutures are intact. Tomorrow we are going to be removing all these bandages and we will keep you updated. Today is the 5th post-operative day for this patient. We have done the pack removal. You can see the face that we have achieved after TJR, bilateral TJR with orthognathic surgery. So she has got a very nice profile now. We had also done genioplasty to get her chin even more forward. And patient feels good. How are you feeling? अच्छा लग रहा है? अभी आपका रिकवरी प्रोसेस कैसा लग रहा है? बहुत ही अच्छा. ठीक है? ओके वेरी गुड. आपका हो भी रहा है, अच्छा रिकवरी हो रहा है. हाँ, आ करो, मुंह बंद करो. ओके वेरी गुड.
So how do we reduce it? बंद करो. She looks very nice, but no, even though the excess was there on the table, now it's really gone down. Sutures have been removed. मुंह खोलिए बेटा, बंद करो. So this is day 1 week now, almost 6 days precisely, and you can see the huge improvements. आप सीधे देखिए, एक बार सीधा देखो. यहाँ हमारे पास. हाँ, हंसना है. हाँ. So the recovery has been very, very fabulous for us. Super quick recovery, and I'm going to show you close up, so you can see the incisions there. It's very, very subtle or very, very minimal scarring, but you've got, this is all her earlier surgery marks. She's got many scars because this is a redo. She did some procedure in different hospitals before, and now we fixed the मुंह खोलो. Some of these patients have difficulty in opening or closing the mouth.
तो आज हम लोग ये वायर निकाल देंगे आपके मुंह से.
हाय पद्मा, कैसे हो? अंदर भी 3 टाइम, दूसरा चल रहा एक्सीडेंट, एंड बाहर भी 3 टाइम लगाना है. ओके, अभी नीचे बुला के टाँके निकलवाएंगे इधर. कैसे हो आप? बढ़िया, बैठ जाओ ना इधर. टुडे इज पोस्ट ऑप डे 10 ऑफ द टोटल जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट पेशेंट. सर आप बाहर चले जाइए. बाइट करो, ओपन करो. वैसे तो कुछ मुंह खोलने में और बंद करने में दिक्कत नहीं है ना, सब बढ़िया है.
Very happy that she's going back home early tomorrow morning. So we've had uneventful recovery for her. All the sutures, the approaches have been healed. All the stitches removed. You can see that. मुंह खोलिए बेटा. और she's got now nice mouth opening. बंद करिए, दांत दिखाओ. Beautiful function already. Some of the patients take longer for them to be able to have such good muscular control over the joint in terms of opening and closing, but she has incredible control straight away. We've put her on soft solid diet. She's good to go. I've advised her to get some dental treatment for the teeth in the next few weeks.
हम वेस्ट बंगाल दुर्गापुर से आए हैं. हम यूट्यूब में हमने देखा था ये हॉस्पिटल के बारे में, वहाँ से आए थे. पहले मेरा फेस अच्छा नहीं था, सर्जरी के बाद मेरा फेस टोटली चेंज हो गया. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. यहाँ का जो सर्विस है वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. डॉक्टर्स, नर्स सब बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा. मैं तो पहले एक था और सर्जरी के बाद दूसरा हो गया. खुद को ही पहचान नहीं पा रही.